Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. If you want really happiness, if you want to real goodness, then you try to become Krishna conscious. That will make you real happy. Otherwise, if you are simply disturbed by this material condition, na sato vidyate bhava, na bhava vidyate sata, ubhayorapi drishta anta, tanayo tattvadarshibhi. Tattvadarshibhi, those who have seen the absolute truth, or those who have realized the absolute truth, they have concluded that the matter has no permanent existence and spirit, soul, has no annihilation. These two things should be understood. Asata. Asata means material. Na sata vidyate bhava. Asat, anything asat. Anything in the material world, that is asat. Asat means will not exist. Temporary. So you cannot expect permanent happiness in temporary world. That is not possible. But they are trying to become happy. So many plan-making commission, utopia, but actually there is no happiness. So many commissions. But a Tattvadarshi, they know, Tattvadarshi, one has seen or has realized the absolute truth. He knows that in the material world there cannot be any happiness. This conclusion should be made. This is simply phantasmagoria, if you want to become happy in this material world. But people have become so foolish, especially at the present day. They are simply making plan on this material world, how they will become happy. We are practically seeing what is in our country. It is far, far behind material civilization. In America, there are so many motor cars. Every third man or second man has got a car. We are poor men. We are sannyasis, brahmachari. Still in each temple we have got 4 or 5 cars. In each temple. Very nice car. Such car even ministers in India cannot imagine. You see? Nice cars. So, they have got so many cars. But the problem is that always they are engaged in making roads, flyways, one after another, one after another. It has come to this stage, 4 or 5 storied roads. So, how we can become happy? Therefore, Tattvadarshi na asatas, you cannot become permanently happy in this material life. That is not possible. So, don't waste your time to become happy here. In another place it is said, padang jad vipadang na tesam. The same example can be given. In America, so many millions of people die in motor accident. How many? What is the statistic? You don't remember?
60,000.
60,000? No, more than that, 60. So many people die of motor accident. So, some of our students, a few months ago, he died of motor accident. The motor accident dying in America is not very astonishment. Because the motors are running at the speed of 70 miles, 80 miles, 90 miles. And not only one motor car, one after another, hundreds. And if one is little slow, immediately taga. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,